TobenONE UDS-033 docking station review. I've got two monitors set up with a mouse and a keyboard. Pardon the wiry mess. Got a Dell laptop and of course the TobenONE docking station. I set it up, it took like 15 minutes. The two monitors are HDMI. The speakers are just powered by USB. And the situation is very simple. You take and you plug the USB-C connector from the back of the TobenONE device into your laptop. You wait a few seconds, you'll see the screen squeeze in. There it goes. It's recognized the docking station. Boom, you've got the two other monitors up. And you can either leave it with three monitors and go that way, or you can close the laptop and work with a two monitor setup where you're traveling from screen to screen, an extended screen. Really simple, really fast, works really well. Highly recommended. And that's the end of my review.
Alright guys, I've had this for probably, I'd say close to 6 to 8 months. Definitely like it. I have two screens kind of attached. I did have a third larger screen attached to it, but this is definitely, it's good. You can have 4 screens connected to a PC, or you can have 3 screens connected to Apple. You can see you have different ports, simple power button there, and on the back side you have the main hub and all your different data ports or HDMI.